guys, it's Mackenzie from Mackenzie Challenges, and today I'm going to be singing a song called Too Famous from Steven Universe. Here we go. Hold up, I gotta fix my phone. I can't help it if I make a scene, stepping out of my hot pink limousine. I'm turning heads and I'm stopping traffic. When I pose, they're screaming. When I truck, they laugh. I've got a pair of eyes that they're getting lost in. I'm hypnotized by the way I'm walking. I got them dazzled like a stage magician. When I point, they look, and when I talk, they listen now. Everybody needs a friend, and I got you and you. I've got so many, I name them. Can you blame me? I'm too famous. Haven't you noticed that I'm a star? I'm coming into view as the world is turning. Haven't you noticed that I made it this far? Now everyone can see me burning. Now everyone can see me burning. Now everyone can see me burning. Thanks guys for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. Please put in the comments if I did a good job or not. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and leave a comment down below for what I should do in my next video. Thanks guys. Bye. Peace.